says that the administration violated the law when it withheld Ukraine security assistance. What's your response?
I haven't had a chance to read that report, but I'm very glad that Ukraine got its aid and got it within the deadline.
Kellyanne, I know you haven't read the GAO report, but this is what it says. It says faithful execution of the law does not permit the president to substitute his own policy priorities for those that Congress enacted into law. What's your response to that?
Well, then it's a good thing that the aid that Congress approved got to Ukraine intact, and it got there because this president released it, and he wanted it to be higher and better and bigger than it was under President Obama.
Why do you think Lev Parnas is injecting himself in this process right now? Ascribe some motive to him?
He's desperate. He's been indicted. He had to post bail. I guess he lied to them too about his wealth apparently. He's desperate, and it looks like he's facing some serious criminal charges.
Is he seeking some kind of immunity, do you think?
I have no idea, because the Department of Justice said the only thing they said about Lev Parnas yesterday is 100% false. His allegations about the Attorney General speaking with private attorneys who were speaking to the Attorney General about their client, who's got nothing to do with Lev Parnas and this entire situation. Yeah, so nobody on TV like that is under oath, and he obviously is desperate to get attention, which you will all shower him with promptly, I'm sure. And he's somebody who was arrested and indicted on some serious criminal, campaign finance charges. And you can't, in a court of law, you would never be able to say what someone else knew. Well, the Vice President did meet with him in Poland. The president wants a full and fair process, and we also we respect the fact that there are senators who want a process as well. This is in the Senate's hands. And we fully respect the fact that they will do a good job making sure that they get the information they need. But it doesn't matter if it's short or long, protracted or quick. It matters that it's full and fair, because it was neither in the House proceeding.
I know you said that, but the president has said both on Twitter. He has said, let's immediately dismiss this. He's also said he wants witnesses.
There's nothing there.
So what does he want?
What he wants, he's going to get, which is to be acquitted and exonerated and not convicted, not removed from office, and reelected. And in the meantime, he'll just continue to do major things. I think anytime you mention Burisma, if you really care about investigations, if you really care about the truth, facts first. And I won't get ahead of White House counsel's office in making that announcement. I think what you've already reported and what you've seen, that the lead will be our White House counsel, Pat Cipollone, along with Jay Sekulow, longest-serving private attorney for President Trump, known to all of you, and to each of you, and Pat Philbin, Mike Purpura, who are two deputies of Pat Cipollone in the White House counsel's office. You can count on them being there. And I think that these House impeachment managers, the 6 of the 7, being for impeachment long before the whistleblower, long before the Ukraine call, long before the release of the Ukraine call, all of that really tells you all you need to know about them sitting on the scales of justice.